Timber! What's up, everybody? Shout out to you guys. What's going on? S&P dropping. Wow, Bitcoin dropping. Testing out the lows. Hope you're all doing well. Let's jump into the Bitcoin price. Coming at you with a quick update on this beautiful Saturday morning / Friday evening for you guys. It is the weekend coming up, but what can we see here with the Bitcoin price? Yes, we did have no trade yesterday. We were talking about this in the Discord. Join us in the free Discord. Setups are always given in advance. We took this trade up here. Yes, and then we continued sideways here. And now we're looking at the Bitcoin price wondering, hey, we never got up to this 29,655 area that we were targeting. So let's take that off for now. But we did come to this beautiful golden pocket just recently with all this bearish news, bullish news. It was news, and we had a little bit of a bing and a bong here where we dropped down and we wiggled around and we have dropped down to lower lows. Okay, so what are we looking for this weekend? The S&P is pointing down. The dollar index has retraced to that area where we're looking for a bounce for it to continue upwards and drop Bitcoin. Okay, S&P healthy retracement recently. We are coming back to key levels of support on our chart. So we'll have to wait and find out what's going on come Sunday on our ES here. But over to Bitcoin, what can I see and what do we expect for the weekend? Okay, so we were looking at this 3-day and we were looking at the trigger to the downside. Okay, this is key here. And we can simply see that there is a lot of room for Bitcoin to come down, okay? We can come down to 28,000, but in the short-term time frame, we're going to look at Bitcoin to slowly creep sideways. Yes, this is hard to believe that Bitcoin is actually going to go sideways because, yes, it has been going sideways for quite some time. Okay, so as it creeps down here, we are looking to fire off longs around 28,000, which is this key level of support that everybody and their brother is talking about. I didn't say sister this time. I'm trying to keep it all together here, be fair, equality, all that good stuff. So we're going to have to practice some good risk management. Now, as we flip down, we can see that in the daily here, very simply, we could be curling up. We could have a reverse head and shoulders looking on the market Cipher B, or we can look to pump up. But overall, it is the weekend. Volume is going to decline, and we know that we're going to trickle around this range, okay? We haven't been able to get above the range, which is right here, right around 29,500. We never got above that and flipped that to support. Okay, yes, we had that push up where we did look for a short, but now we've been knocked back down within this lower range here. So how are we going to trade this? What can we look for? Okay, so we jump down to the 12-hour and we can see the range. Very, very simply, we wick down. Okay, this does not look very bullish to me. This looks like we had a push up and then a big rejection to the downside, okay? Now, can we bounce up here and come back to the point of control? Most likely, okay? And then do we continue sideways? Most likely. But if we do fail to lose this, we look for that 28,000, okay? There is other supports along the way, okay? The barrier to entry, as they call it, is 28,562. So maybe we drop down to 28,562. There could be a continuation. So we look for a short and we come down to this area here, okay? Look at the beautiful area of support, okay? So we got to be ready for anything. Now let's go to the 4-hour. Let's flip through here and take a look here. What do we see? Well, we can see a couple of things, and that's for sure. There is this downtrend that we have just established, right? And we can also see that we're failing to get below. So can Bitcoin push back up, continue to ride this back up to the point of control? Let's wait and find out. We should find out within the next coming hours. Now, for me, I'm looking to short the highs, long the lows. I just got up and missed this wick down. Congratulations to Nick Musgrave. Man is in along. Let's cheer on Nick. Join us in the free Discord, setups and videos and everything given in advance. Always trying to help you guys, okay? So look, beautiful area of confluence. You can simply see here that we got a beautiful, beautiful golden pocket if we pull the range. We also have the 786, which we bounced off of. But we can also pull this downwards, okay, if we want to. We can pull this downwards, and we can see that we bounced off. Okay, get out of my way. We can see that we bounced off the golden pocket here, which is another way of looking at this too, okay? So, overall, we've creeped back up this lower value, local value area low. We look to continue and push up for Nick, but also for us, and come to this trend line here where we can look for a continuation of this downtrend where we can short. So I'm going to be watching this area very, very closely where I can look for a long if we do come above here and flip and pop up, or we can look for a short where we fail to get above this downtrend and we bearish divergence and we drop. Okay, so vice versa, I'm keeping it very simple, watching these trend lines. Also, I see one here. Where is this one? This one's here. I see one here that we can be watching as well. So let's look for us to knock our head on this up, on this trend line up here, and see what happens. Let's look for a reaction of price at the point of control, which is around 29,300. Okay, so make sure to practice good risk management. Keep yourself in check. Trading psychology. What does the markets want you to believe here? They have pushed us down. The S&P is down. The Dixie has retraced and looking to pop up. Okay, so very, very cautious here over the weekend. We might have a little bit of sideways action. Now, also, we got the uni trade that we're looking for a possible long. Okay, uni might be ready for a long. XRP might be ready for a long. Okay, not financial advice, just some things that we're looking at in the Discord. We were looking at this short. Look at this beautiful play out. Can it continue downwards for Link? Okay, so there's many trades here. We've lost this key trend line on Link. We're looking for the retrace back up and to fire off a short yet again. Okay, we can also see that there is some key level of support if it does come down to this level where we can possibly look for a long back up. Okay, these are the things I'm looking at right now. Make sure to practice good risk management. Much love to every single one of you. Slap that subscribe button if you don't mind. We'd love to see you. Join us in the free Discord. Peace out, friends, and I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless. Bye.